Young lady on the side of the road, can I help you and get you some clothes? Young lady on the side of the road, can I help you and get you some clothes? She was a truck stop hooker, 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 a truck stop hooker. Riding down the street on the side of my truck, I see a little lady and she's up for a fuck. She's asking me if she can get up in my truck. I looked her in the eye and said, "To be you, it must suck. I'm sorry, young lady, but I ain't got money for you. I'm sorry, young lady, but I don't got money for you." She's a truck stop hooker, 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 a truck stop hooker. Little lady asked me for a cigarette. I told her I don't got it, but I give you her breath, man. She's living me from the distance. The boy's looking at her like she's a piece of chicken, 'cause I got money in my bank. She wants that from me, but I got a lady at home, and she won't be pleased if I get with this truck stop hooker. A truck stop hooker, a truck stop hooker, a truck stop hooker.